Hi there. Welcome back to Learning Subfolio. In this video, we're going to go over how to search for submissions in Subfolio. We'll start by focusing on the simple filters at the top here. Then we'll move to the filtering menu here. We'll look at some of the basics of the interface, like how paging works and how to clear the current search. Then we'll move into using the results of searches for bulk actions. You've already seen how exporting submissions works in a previous video, and bulk actions work in the same way. To start, let's look at the filters across the top of the screen. We see search by title, search by writer name, and a date filter, and a calendar. It's important to note that these filters at the top are on top of the filters on this menu. So right now, we're only searching for open submissions, which means if I type the name of a writer who's already been accepted or rejected, it won't show up. Let's look for submissions by me. We can see I've made 5 submissions. Let's look for submissions by Yao. You can see he's made 1 submission. And let's look for title. Let's look for art. 2 submissions with art in the title. And all of them are in the last 7 days. For writers or titles that you know are not open, say John Doe from the moderation video, go to Filter Submissions and change the status to All Statuses. There's John Doe, the writer we blocked. To clear filters in the Filter menu, hit Reset Search. This doesn't clear the top. We can just get rid of that. Let's look at more options here. I can filter by category. I can filter by who it's assigned to. I can filter by who it was assigned by. I can filter by what submission tag it has. I can filter by the current review workflow. I can filter by the current review workflow stage. I can filter by the form answers. And I can filter by the date. I can order by the score, by the number of notifications, and by my last interaction. We'll go into this advanced filter menu in a little while. Let's go over some of the basics of the user interface. These left and right arrows bring you to the previous and next page when they're highlighted. This lets you change the number of results per page. This is also especially helpful for when you're applying bulk actions. If you want to apply to 50 in your search and you're ordering by the score, for example, you can order by 50, go to bulk actions, and take your action and only apply it to the current page. For the filter menu, when you click in, it covers things behind it. So you can always click a white space on the page or the filter button again to get rid of it. To clear submissions, hit the Reset Search button. To reload submissions to get new updates, hit Reload Submissions. If you want to find out which ones were assigned by me immediately, click Assigned by Me. This is especially helpful for when you recently sent someone a submission. Now that we've gone through some of the interface basics and we've gone through searching, let's go through bulk actions. Bulk actions can be taken by administrators or accounts that have enough credential to do it, which is a reader 3 and up. If we click bulk actions, we can see we have a bulk accept, bulk reject, bulk message, bulk tag, bulk assign, and bulk stage change. We've already gone over bulk stage change. We've also already gone over export submissions. So let's go over the others. Bulk accept. It's the same as the accept window in any submission, except that it applies to the selection shown here. Bulk reject is also the same. It lets you reject, but it applies to the whole page or your current results. Bulk message. Also the same as the action in the submission, except it applies in bulk. Let's go over bulk tag. This one's interesting. This one lets me choose tags and apply them to every submission in my list. I could choose all current results or just the current page. In my case, that's the same. Let's apply simultaneous submission to every submission here. There it is. Let's go back. Bulk assign. Right now I'm in advanced mode. Let's turn it back to the regular view. By default, you see the results and your list. So I can assign every one here to Rachel and hit assign and confirm. You can see that now every one is assigned to Rachel. Now let's go back to bulk assign and take a look at the advanced view. The advanced view lets me take some more actions. I can override the assignment limit, I can clear other assignments, and I can choose different assignment types. So for example, I could do round robin, random, or least busy assignment. The assignment fallback user is only available when you're not overriding assignment limits. Clear other assignments can be applied even when you're not assigning, which means this option lets you clear submission assignments. Let's try that out. I'm going to hit assign and assign nobody to 6 submissions. And there we are. All of our assignments are cleared. There's also a bulk red button next to the bulk actions button. Let's try that. I selected 2 submissions here, and I'm going to mark them as red. I can also check the box above the submission list to get the whole page and click it again. Now all of my submissions are red. I've gone over the basics of search and the bulk actions menu. Let's go over advanced search. This is mostly for power users of the system. We can add filters here. Let's say submission tag. In the main filter menu, you can't do this. This is looking specifically for someone who has FastPass and previous contributor at the same time. You can't do that in the main menu. Clicking back into it, you can also get results for multiple by adding an or in between. Or you can omit a group. So let's say everyone who doesn't have FastPass and everyone who is not a previous contributor. Only one. This gets a lot more complicated. You can save searches, you can load searches. You may find need for this, and it will let you create very powerful subsections of your submission set. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.